Hello dear learners, I am Akarshita. Welcome to Easy Courses. Today we are going to discuss about Python. We had already heard a lot about Python, but today in this session we will discuss about what is Python, why Python is so popular, what are the application areas of Python, and the most important thing, job opportunities after learning Python. So let's begin. So let's start with the Python introduction. Python is a high-level programming language, which means that you do not have to remember all the system architecture in Python. Here you can see the example. In C programming language, we are using hash include studio.h, main function, print function, and then we are giving our statement of printing, and then we are returning 0. But on the other hand side, if you see the Python, in Python we are not giving any header file or not we are giving any main function. Just we are writing print and then we are giving our statement hello world. So this is the specialty of Python. Python is interpreted programming language. Interpreted means that Python compiles the code line by line. Here you can see in the given example, in other languages, first you have to write the whole code, then you have to compile the code and then you run it. During the time of compilation, you get so many errors by which you rectify the errors and then you run the code. But in Python programming language, the codes are compiled line by line. Here you can see the example. Here we are giving print x. If the error is present in your code, then it will be shown into the next line. Just like here, the error is shown as name x is not defined. So Python is an interpreted programming language. General purpose programming language. It means that Python can perform various development tasks. Here you can see that Python can perform web development, machine learning and artificial intelligence, desktop GUI, web scraping, data science and visualization, software development, and so on. Python has built-in module and packages. What is the meaning of modules and packages? In simple words, modules are the file containing Python code and packages are the collection of modules. For example, if you are having a book of code, just like that book, you are having 100 of books and those 100 of books are kept in a shelf. So those books are modules and the shelf is packages. So modules are the file containing Python code and packages are the collection of modules. Now next we come to application areas of Python. The application areas of Python are testing, web scraping, data analysis, computer graphics, machine learning, big data and Internet of Things. Why Python is so popular? As we had already discussed that Python is a high level language, that's why Python is easy to understand. And the main point in Python is having a huge library and frameworks. Other than this, Python is versatile, flexible, reliable, and there are so many good qualities which make the Python unique. And one more quality in Python is a portable language, which means that code written in Windows or Linux can be used in iOS also. Python is widely used programming language. As you can see in this slide, there are many top organizations which are using Python as their programming language. When it's come to Google, the official language of Google is Python. The entire code of YouTube is written in Python. And the largest implementation of Django frameworks is in Instagram, which is also written in Python. So what we understand from this? Python is widely accepted and most powerful language. Now, how do we prepare for Python? Even though Python is having so much of potential and job opportunities, people who can grab these opportunities are the ones who prepare them well. We at Easy Courses follow a special methodology of training, wherein 70% of the course is focused on hands-on oriented practical training. These classes are handled by programming experts, thereby your preparation to get through the interview is taken care. Now, let's see the job roles available in most of the top organizations with respect to Python. After learning Python, you can be a software engineer, web developer, Python developer, DevOps engineer, research analyst, data analyst, consultant, product manager, data scientist, and machine learning engineer. There are so many opportunities after learning Python. So, if you are someone who wants to get into the software developer profile, Python is the right language today. For more details, you can contact us. All the contact details are there in the description box. Thank you for watching.